Not give up, man. Overcome. Be the overcomer of your own destiny, your own journey, whatever it is that you're doing. Be the overcomer, man. Do not give up. Do not give in. Do not be that guy that gave up when you are 2 inches away from the goal. Overcomer Nation, what's happening? It's your boy John out here on a Saturday, getting it in, getting this tennis course taken care of. You can see behind me, we got a custom indoor tennis court built on, attached with a mansion. We're doing the final clean on it, so getting it all construction prepped, ready to roll. Check out this before and afters, man. This thing's looking fresh, super fresh. You know, this isn't typical what we normally do, but it's a friend of mine, one of the developers and project manager. He asked me to come help him out. We're working on a 140 unit multifamily project for him and also a 20 house project. And he had this project for the developer. He's building it for him so his son can actually come do tennis lessons. This house, this is not a house, but this is a custom indoor tennis course that they just built. And then it's attached to a mansion that's along outside. And so I did you can actually see it maybe through the window here. Nah, you can't see it. But anyways, out here on a Saturday, man, making things happen, doing what's necessary on a Saturday, man. We got so many jobs that are coming up. I want to show you guys, we're actually running 3 construction projects right now simultaneously. We got one out in, there's 3 of them all running at once right now. We got a little over 12 guys right now. Man, it's been crazy. And so I haven't really been on the air lately. I haven't really been putting out too much content, but we're getting ready to go hard with it again. And stay tuned, man, because we're going to be giving you some great shit. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I hope you guys are hustling. I hope you guys are showing up. I hope you guys are staying busy. You're working hard. This business is not easy sometimes in the construction business or even in the service business or any sort of business. You know, sometimes you might have some dip downs and it's not perfect, but I know so many people, man, that they run into diversity. They can't make payroll. Things go wrong and they throw in the towel. They say, fuck this, man, I don't want to do this no more. They quit. And you are not a quitter. If you're watching this video right now, it's because you want more out of your life. You want to do more with your life, and that means you want to win. Be the best of your ability. Do not give in to defeat. Do not give up. Keep showing up, okay? Don't allow yourself to be overwhelmed and stressed and frustrated just because things are not working out the way that you thought they would work out. There is a better season among the horizon, and it's up to you to keep showing up to make that happen so you can push through and you can make it all a reality. So anyways, I wanted to make this video because this is a cool job, little custom job that we're doing for one-day project. Looks like a lot of work, and it is a lot of work, but we get shit done quick, we get it done fast. Here's my tip for you. If you're in the service business and you want to do large commercial projects, you want to do projects that are a little bit bigger than a typical size residential property, you need to bid the project at a decent price, okay? Understand that developers and GCs are on a budget, okay? They're only trying to spend so much money. And although it may seem like you're making less money because you're charging a cheap price, for instance, I got a 20 house community. We're gonna do a rough clean phase. We're gonna clean the windows. We're gonna do a final clean phase. And then we're gonna pressure wash the garages, and it's 20 houses. Now, that whole contract is about 20 grand. Now, typically in a residential environment, if I were to clean 20 houses all the way through and it was a new construction, that might be like a $30,000 project, okay? So it's $10,000 cheaper, but it's because they're giving me so much work. Now, if I had one single family customer that wanted me to do that, I might charge them about $1,400 to $1,500 bucks. This is coming out to about $1,000 bucks a house. So understand, whether it's multifamily or an hotel, the bigger the project, the more the cut you want to do, because they're giving you excess work. They're not just saying, hey, here's one project and you'll be out of there in a day. They're gonna give you multiple projects. So bid low so you can get your foot in the door, and then fuck it, hit them with some change orders, and I'll teach you about change orders next time. Anyways, if you're a contractor, keep watching the site. We are the best channel when it comes to entrepreneurship in the service business. That is my niche. I will teach you everything you need to know about building your service business and taking it to the next level. Being a contractor, we're a licensed contractor over here at SunClean. I'm gonna show you how to build your business with no money, or if you have money, I'm gonna show you how to take that money and make more, okay? Keep staying tuned, man. Love you guys tuning in. We're gonna finish this up. Peace out.